welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be solving the 5x5 Rubik's Cube. One solve of the 5x5 Rubik's Cube. So, just a scrambled one. So, I'm gonna use the YOW method. Okay, only one solve. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So the first two sentences was so easy. I'm not gonna get fast at this. Seems a little bit odd here. Okay. Two minutes. This is a bit harder since it's a bigger cube. All parity. All. Come on. 2 minutes. Nice. Find for 2 minutes. 2.29. Nice. So you can see it's all solved. This cube was a little bit hard, but challenges are accepted. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video, comment on the video if you like, and see you all in the next video. Bye.